What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video on how you guys can build done for you campaigns. Whether you want to sell it or whatever the case may be, is completely up to you. But I just wanted to go over like the process of it because a lot of people are looking for done for you campaigns, and it's actually not that difficult to make a done for you campaign. Like if you guys have been a veteran on the channel for a while, you guys know I used to be super big into making done for you campaigns for people. But I ended up losing like millions of dollars because I was doing that. I had one person come in and buy a $500 done for you campaign and literally make $500,000. I had a person come in and spend $25 on a done for you campaign and they made over 30 something thousand. So I was like, yeah, it's time to raise those prices a little bit. But nowadays, I really only make done for you campaigns for people who are in the Oryx network, and that's pretty much it on that one or whatnot. But how do you go and make your own done for you campaign? Like, what's the process? Like, it's really not that difficult. All you need is data. That's it. When you buy a done for you campaign, all you're doing is just buying data. So if you get your own data and then you have it set up like over here on the Oryx network, where it's simply laid out for you, you can literally build out a campaign super simple and super easy. Right, so let's just go over here to our detailed stats, and then you're going to click top leads data. Then this is going to build out all your campaign, like everything right out the gate. So it's going to tell you how many leads you got, the browser that's doing the best, and then it's going to just like put down it's going to rank everything for you. So if you go to all time here, because obviously that's not a lot of data, and then we click update. All right, so now you see we got 269 clicks. 269 leads. Now that's a pretty decent amount of data. We can see everything we need to see now. So our top converting browser is Chrome. All right, so we go over here, put in our Chrome, and then this is just like what you would do for your ads network. So let's say we're running over on the PPC network, right? So this is the ad network. So we would target Chrome, all right? Then from here, we basically just take all our winning stuff right out the gate. So Windows 10. Keep in mind this data is for whatever network you're running on. Obviously, you can take it and then try it on a different network and see if it works, but it's specifically for whatever network you've been running on. So keep that in mind as well, because if you take some data that you were running on Facebook and just try to transfer it over and then put it right on Google, 99% of the time it won't work. Like, it's specified to just that network, because on Google it might be the complete reverse. It might be Safari that does way better than Chrome. It might be Android that does way better than Apple or iPhone or whatever, right? So really just keep that in mind. It's specified to just that network that you were running on. All right, so then we take our Chrome, Windows 10, and then we see mobile is doing really good. So again, we're just going to take all our high marks. It's going to be our ad one. So we see, all right, Chrome, Windows, mobile, United States, New York. So we could just keep it US, since again we don't have a lot of data right there. See, we only got 8 right there, so we could just do that. All right, so then that would be like our campaign one. Then we could do like the same thing, same thing, just a mini campaign, and just target, what was that, New York? Yeah, then target just New York. All right, and then we can build out another campaign. All right, so we see Safari, and then obviously we would we could target, let's say, a Windows computer. I don't know if people do people use Safari on Windows? So that's the thing, you just got to test it out and see what happens, because right now we don't have any iOS up here at all. Like the iOS is just like not converting at all for this offer right here. All right, so you would see like the iOS, where we at? Like iOS 13, right? For this Mind Pays offer or whatnot. You see we got the iOS right there, but there are like no iOS up here for anything when it comes to the Survey Junkie. Android everything. Android and Windows. So that's what we would stick to. Again, even if it seems like it won't work in your head, test it out anyway. Just test it, right? That's your whole thing as a marketer, is just to test out the campaign. So then we would check out Safari, Windows, United States, and then again we would just start building out our campaign again. So then that would be add to, and so on and so on. So again, all your data is right here. This is all the data that you need. Everything is laid out for you right here. All right. Now, where we at here? Okay, so let's talk about, so now you guys know how to basically build your own done for you campaign. It's actually very simple. Again, just click your top leads data. It's gonna tell you all your leads data right there, and you can just build out a campaign. It's very simple. It's literally built out for you. Now let's talk about getting a high EPC. All right, so this is a little campaign I actually made for you guys. I was gonna do one day by day, but I was like, I might as well just wait until the end of the week and just make one really like decent long video or whatever, and just like so I wouldn't have to basically make a video every single day on this. So day one, we got 112 clicks, 5 leads. Day two, 166 clicks, 6 leads. Day three, 720 clicks, 6 leads. Now day three was the day that I basically just wanted to see everything that was not working, right? Then we cut off a crap ton of stuff that wasn't working, and then we got 42 clicks, 2 leads. Then the day after that, that's when we started, again refining, checking some more stuff out with the campaign here. Now we get in 23 clicks, 6 leads, 18 clicks, 6 leads, 29 clicks, 5 leads. We are literally getting a third of what we were getting over here in clicks and making the same amount of money. So think about that. That's an easy, 80 to plus clicks or whatnot that we no longer have to pay for to make the same amount of money. So that's what happens when you refine your campaigns, right? And you do this process over here. So then it's Chrome, it's working on Windows 10, you building out the campaign. You know that all your conversions are coming from New York. All your conversions are coming from Atlanta. You can cut off everything that's not working, right? So we go over here. You can go to your stats logs and look over your data over here as well, just to see what's not working as well. And then again, your top leads data, it's going to be right here. And then again, you see, it's just, you see all your data is right here laid out for you. Like it can't get any easier than that, guys, to build a campaign. Now, keep in mind that it will change. Your data here will change on the date that you choose. So you see right here, for the last 7 days or whatnot, our iOS is up here now. We got 4 conversions for the iOS. So now that would be a campaign that we could run. But if we go for all time, the iOS is no longer there because it didn't get enough data. So basically it builds out like 5 campaign for it. It just goes 5 deep basically. So you see we got Chrome here, Safari, Edge, Firefox, Mozilla, right? All of that just scroll down, right? It just goes 5 deep for you and then just builds out the campaign. And again, all you got to do is take the information from here, plug it right into your CPA, not your CPA, but your ad network, and that's it. That's all you have to do, and that's how you're going to get really high EPCs as well, because it didn't make a ton of money or anything along those lines, but you see the EPC is extremely high. 28 cents for an EPC, 52 cents for the EPC, right? And this is on an offer that pays out 91 cents. So that means 1 out of 3 people converted. That never happens on public networks, right? So I guess I should say that too. It's mainly because we're in a private network. We're in that Oryx network right now. So if you are in a public network, 99% of the time, I can almost guarantee you that you will never have a high EPC on offers that pay out $1 or $2, stuff like that, because they're shaving you just so damn much. They shave your clicks, they shave your conversions, they shave everything over there, and there's really nothing you can do about it. Like I even showed you guys how you can track your CPA offer clicks, because a lot of people don't track their CPA offer clicks. What they'll do is they'll track the landing page, if they even do that. So let's say you run on Facebook, then you run over, then you got your landing page, and then you got your offer. All right, so most people aren't even tracking, but they'll be like, oh, okay, I got this many clicks from Facebook. So let's say Facebook, they paid for 1,000 clicks. Then on their page here, let's say, all 1,000 people went over here, obviously. And then let's say on the CPA offer, only 200 people click. So most people just thinking, oh, my CPA offer, I mean, my landing page sucks, which might not be the case. Let's say you got on your link breaker account. So that your link breaker is what you would shorten your URL for. So you basically take your offer URL, shorten it in link breaker, and then put that on your landing page instead of just the offer URL. Because if you go to the CPA network, it'll say you got 200 clicks, but on the Oryx not the Oryx, but the link breaker platform, it will tell you, let's say you got 600 clicks. So now you just realize you just got shaved out of 400 clicks. So now it's not that your landing page is just awful, is that your CPA network just shaved you out of 400 clicks. That's including all the offers, all the conversions that would have came through there. Now, if you confront them about this, all they're going to say is, oh, it was bot traffic. It was bot traffic. Oh, don't worry about that. Those are just, dead clicks. So there's really nothing much you can do about that. My only thing I would say is just get out of those networks and get into a private network as soon as you can. But that's pretty much it, guys. I know this was a super long-winded video here, but a lot of powerful information in here. I know a lot of people just want to see stuff, just like it, but I'm showing you guys it's very simple. You just do what I'm telling you to do in this video here, and you will make money. But that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff.